Hey, sweetie, can these go back on the shelf or still using
Until
them?
7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles southeast of Warrenton, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard,
Those
60
right
miles
there,
per
can
hour
they go
with
on the
gusts and
shelf
half-dollar-size
or
hail.
still using?
Source, radar indicated.
Yeah.
Impact, hail damage to
shelf
vehicles
or
is
using?
expected.
Using.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Littleton, Centerville, Arcola, Medic Mountain State Park, Avonton, Airlie, Rosemary, Lake Gostot and South Point, and Morningstar Marinas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and
Where's that
damaging winds.
EAS?
People outside should
Yeah,
move
in
immediately to
Warren,
shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Until 7.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Halifax, Nash, and Warren. Here is a...
Yeah. Got another severe thunderstorm warning until Franklin, Granville, Vance, Warren, and Halifax. So, yeah.
Finish up.
Yeah.
Can I put these on the shelf?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Well, guys, another one for coming up, so...